Hi, today we're going to try Anna Griffin shader card dies. For making this type of card with this die set, we need one of this, one of this one, two of these decorative part, and two of these panels. And if you want to use the belly band, you can cut two of the belly band and stick it together. I will show you how to do that, and let's make it together. First, we need to burnish the score lines. The die already made the scores, so you only need to burnish them. So we will end up with a pretty gatefold card. We have a score line in these panels as well, so we need to burnish those as well. Because I want to decorate my panels with these decorative pieces, I'm going to stick them down, and after that I will stick the panels to the card base. So let's do that. Now we need to stick our panels like this to our card base. And then I need to burnish the score line on this one as well, and stick this panel to the card base like that. And I usually like to use wet glue, but for video, because I want it to be a little bit more quicker, I'm using my ATG and Xyron tape runner. Okay, let me explain something. In the instruction sheet, actually it shows you stick this panel first, I think, and then you stick these panels and push it through, which is not an easy thing to do, and you need to bend this. So I suggest you stick these two panels first, and after that you can stick these panels. I stuck this part all the way to the top, but it seems I should have put it a little bit lower. But this still works. For sentiment, I decided to use Flipkart sentiment stamps from Anna Griffin. I'm not sure the exact correct name for this. Yeah, I decided to use this because this shape, this vertical shape is very similar to one of the shapes on the flip cards, like this one, even though this is a little bit wider and larger, but we still can use the sentiments here. So I'm going to do that, and I think I found one. I'm going to use this one for the inside, which says, "May your day be filled with joy and laughter." And for the outside, I'm going to use the happy birthday word here. Okay, for outside, I cut two more of these panels and these decorative pieces. What I need to do is cut this part out, which we scored and stuck it to the card base. Then I can use this part here, this one on top, to decorate the front of my card. If we stick 2 of these together, we can make the belly band for this card. You know, it's the first time I'm making these cards with you guys, because when I review something, I like to do it this way to show you how easy or hard is it to work with a die or stamps for the first time if you try it. So forgive me if I do some mistakes while I'm doing this kind of things. Alright, this is our belly band. Of course you can embellish your card more than that. For decorate my belly band, what I've done is I'm using this part, which I it came out from the middle panel we die cut for our card. And you already saw I stamped, but if I put that on top of this this piece, this one doesn't show. So what I've done, I die cut this with one of the oval nesting dies I had in my stash, and I'm going to stick this on top of this panel and then stick that on top of my belly band to finish it off. You can leave it like this, or because I already brought this out, I might use some of these flourishes to decorate it a little bit more. If I do that, you can see it at the end. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.